Hello, everybody. Here we have something called an axis of symmetry, which is just a vertical line that cuts through the center of a parabola, whether it opens up like the one on the left or the one that opens down like the one on the right. Okay, and the formula for the axis of symmetry is x equals negative b over 2a. Okay, so let's find the axis of symmetry of the parabola y equals negative 2x squared plus 2x minus 3. So to do this, we need to find a and b. A is always the coefficient of x squared, and so in this case, negative 2 is the coefficient of x squared, and so a is negative 2. B is always the coefficient of x, so in this case, 2 is the coefficient of x, and so b is equal to 2. Now we just apply this formula that says x equals negative b over 2a. By the way, we also have another formula, x equals h, but we're not going to find h in this video. So instead, we'll just find a and b. And now that we just did, we just found a and b right here that we just did. And now we'll apply this formula, x equals negative b over 2a. All right, so x equals negative b is 2 over 2a. That's 2 times a is negative 2, so 2 times negative 2. And then simplifying that down, we got x equals negative 2 over 2 times negative 2, which is negative 4. And finally, x equals 0.5. So that's the answer, x equals 0.5. Now let's look at the graph of this to confirm this. So here we have the graph of the parabola f of x equals negative 2x squared plus 2x minus 3. And now let's put in x equals 0.5. And x equals 0.5, that's the green line. And as you can see, the green line cuts down the center of the parabola. Isn't that wonderful? Let's do another problem. Let's find the axis of symmetry of y equals 4x squared minus 2x plus 1. All right, so here again, we need a and b. So a is this case, a is 4, because that's the coefficient of x squared. And then b is negative 2, because negative 2 is the coefficient of x. And again, we'll have x equals negative b over 2a. And this equals negative. B is negative 2 over 2 times a. A is 4, so 2 times a is 2 times 4. Here we have a negative of a negative, which is a positive, so they go out, they go away. So you got 2 over 2 times 4 is 8. And 2 over 8 is 0.25. So the axis of symmetry is x equals 0.25. And just like the first problem, let's go ahead and verify this with this problem. So let's graph the parabola. Y equals 4x squared minus 2x plus 1. Right, and this looks like it's a parabola that opens up. And now let's put in x equals 0.25. And we have the green line, x equals 0.25. And as we can see here, it does cut down the center of the parabola through the middle. And so that confirms that's the axis of symmetry. So that's how to find the axis of symmetry of a parabola.